Hello everyone, good evening, have a nice day. This is Jagat Pal as a math trainer. So today topic is a coordinate geometry part 2. Last topic part 1 we are discuss axis, x-axis, y-axis and coordinate. First coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate and fourth coordinate. So point suppose given a point A, so point A which coordinate lie, first coordinate lies, second coordinate and the symbols of the quadrant, first coordinate symbols plus plus, second coordinate symbol minus plus, third coordinate symbol minus minus and fourth coordinate is plus minus. We are discussed in a previous lecture. So today lecture is based on the distance and segments midpoint of the two points. So there is some points. So suppose first point is how to find the distance of the 2 points. Suppose there are 2 points. This is a point A and this is a point B. So suppose this point coordinate is x1 y1. This point coordinate is x2 y2. So what is the distance of AB? So we know what distance is AB is x2 minus x1 x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is a distance of AB. So how this formula is created? Suppose this is a axis, this is a x-axis, x dash, y and y dash. So suppose this is a line, this is a AB line, and this point coordinate is a x1 y1, this point x2 y2. So if create a triangle AB, this is a line, a 2 point A and B. So what is the distance A and B? So we can draw a triangle. So triangle, suppose this point is a C. So C point distance origin to this distance, suppose this distance is x2 and so what is the distance AC? This is a x1, this is a point is x1 and C point is x2. Okay, so origin to A, this is a x distance x1 and origin to C point, this is a distance x2. So we can say this distance x2 minus x1 and same this distance is a y2 minus y1. So B and C distance y2 minus y1 and A and C x2 minus x1. So we can use there is a AB distance, for AB distance is a Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is a hypotenuse square is a perpendicular square plus base square. So use this formula. So there is a AB means hypotenuse distance equal to formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So this formula is a distance formula and this is created by axis. So this line AB line, you can draw AB line any quadrant, this type, this type, this type here. So this distance is the same x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. Same distance you can draw any say any quadrant. And the second point is okay, rough this page. And second is segment formula. What is a segment formula and what is a segment, a line, segment formula, and mid point of a line, 2 point A and B, what is a midpoint. So first segment formula, suppose this is point is A and this point is a B. Suppose coordinate of this is x1 y1 and same B x2 y2, and this AB line have a, this point is suppose P divide a segment ratio. Suppose this is a M and this is a N, this is a M, this is a N, and suppose P segment P point is A and B. So we can say A B coordinates equal to M x2. Okay, so M plus N, M with x2, N with x1, divide by M plus N, and same for B M1 plus M plus N, and this is a y2 and this is a y1, divide by M plus N. So this is a equal to this. So this is a segment formula. If a line divided by any point and given ratio M and N, so we can say AB point B coordinate AB equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by M plus N. This is a segment formula. And suppose this line suppose this point is A, this point is a B, and this is a midpoint. Suppose P is a midpoint, so we can say P coordinate suppose A and B, so we can say A comma B equal to uh, this is a coordinate x1 y1 and this coordinate x2 y2. So we can say x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is equal to this mid of the mid coordinate of the line. So this is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So there is some questions, so we can go how questions. Question is here, suppose there is a first question. So first question is the points minus 4 comma 0, 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 3 are in the vertex of a right angle isosceles triangles, equilateral triangles, scalene triangles. So there are 3 points and 3 points create a triangle. So triangle, which type triangle? This is a right angle, nature of the triangle, right triangles, isolate triangles, equilateral triangles and scalene triangles. Right angle right right triangles, if hypotenuse there is a this condition follow, B and C square equal to AB square plus BC square, AB square plus AC squares. If this condition follows, so it means this is a right angle. Isosceles angles, if there is a two sides equal, so this is a isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangles, if all sides and angles is equal, so equilateral triangle. Scalene triangles, if all sides difference, So this is a scalene triangles. So okay. So there is a 3 point. Okay, suppose draw a triangle this type. Suppose this is a, this is a B, and this is a C. A coordinate is suppose minus 4 comma 0, B coordinate 4 comma 0, and C coordinate is 0 comma 3. Okay, so we can find the distance of AB. So we know AB distance formula is x2 minus x1, x2, there is x2 4, x1 minus 4. So x2 minus x1 means 4 plus 4, 8 square. X2 minus x1, 8 square, and y2 minus y1, 0. So this is a 0. So we can say AB distance is a 8 centimeter. Same B and C distance. So B and C distance, B coordinates 4 comma 0, C coordinate 0 comma 6. So we can say x2, there is a x2 is a 0 minus 4. So this is a 4 square, and plus y2 minus y. So this is a 3 square. So we can say this is a 5 centimeter. Same C and A. So C and A distance is a same. C, this is a x1, this is a x2. So x2 minus x1, so this is a 4 square, and y2 minus y. So same, this is a 3 square. So we can say this is a 5 centimeter. So there are two sides equals 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So we can say this is a which type triangle? Nature of the triangle is a isosceles triangle. So this is a correct answer. Right answer is B option. And the next question. Next question is a the center of a circle is 2a, a minus 7. This is a circle, center of the circle. Circle's coordinates. Find the value of a if the circles pass through the point 11, 9. Radius of the circle is given 5 root 2. So draw a circle. Suppose this is a circle and this is a center. So center's point given 2a comma a minus 7. This is a center point, and this is a radius, and radius given is a 5 root 2, and through the point 11. So this is a pass point. So pass point coordinates is 11 comma minus 9. So same, there are 2 points. This is a center point and this is a pass point, and there is a distance given 5 root 2. So this coordinates to a minus 7, and there is coordinates 11 comma 9. So we can say 5 root a, 5 root 2 equal distance equal to coordinates. So x2 a and b, x2 minus x1. So 11 minus 2a square plus minus 9 minus a minus 7 squares. So we can solve this equation. So there is a value is a 3 centimeter. So a centimeter. We can solve this equation. There is a value is a 3 centimeters. So we can say there is answer is a 3 centimeter. Main is a diagram. So we can draw diagram this type. And third question is Third question, the line represented by 4x minus 3 uh, equal to 9 intersect the y-axis at. Okay, so there is given a line 4x minus 3y equal to 9. This is a intersect the y-axis. If this line is a intersect to y-axis, it means there is a x distance is a 0. This is a main point. If this line intersect y-axis, so it means this is there is a x equal to 0. So put x equal to 0 this line. So there is a 4 x 0 minus 3y equal to 9. So there is a y value. So 3 3 is 9. So there is a y value is minus 3. So we can say x coordinates xy, x is a 0 and y equal to minus 3. So 0 comma minus 3, a option is correct. And next is a fourth question. The point on x-axis equidistance from the point P, Q. So same, there is a 2 point P and Q. Suppose this line is a P and Q. There is a given P coordinate 5 comma 0 and there is a q coordinates minus 1 comma 0, and equidistance means this distance intersect x-axis. Okay, so what is this point coordinates? Okay, so suppose this point is a P, and what is this coordinate? Suppose this coordinate is a comma b. So there is huge two times distance formula. First pq, suppose this is a m. So first formula distance find p to m and m to q, and both are equals, so we can find pm and mq. So there is a and b value. So there is a and b value is a minus 2 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0. Okay, two times formula. First is a p to m and second m to q. So coordinates given already are this is a equidistance, so we can use this type p and q 5. So a is 5 plus minus 1 divided by 2 equidistance. So this coordinate is a ab. 5 minus 1 means 4 by 2 means this is a 2, and b distance is a 0 0 by 2 means this is a 0. So 2 comma 0. So it means there is a option, not b. So 2 comma 0 equidistance formula. Next is question number 5. Center of the circle shows end points diameters. So there is a circle, and circle uh, okay, so there is a circle and diameter. Suppose this is a diameter, this is a and this is a b. This point coordinate is a minus 6 comma 3 and this point is a 6 comma 4. So there is a center circle of the, so circle is same is a midpoint. So midpoint coordinate, so midpoint coordinate is suppose a and b. So a equal minus 6 minus 6 plus 6 divided by 2. Okay, so this is a 0. And b point is a 3 minus 4 a plus b. Okay, so 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 divided by 2, so 7 by 2. So we can say 0 comma 7 by 2. So there is a C option, 0 comma 7 by 2. Okay, so today we are discuss what is a distance between 2 point if points given coordinates, and segment, what is a segment, and what is a midpoint of 2 point. Okay, so based on the formula. So okay, thank you.